I'm using titanium white acrylic paint to apply a thin, even coat as a primer on the entire design. This will create more vibrant colors that stand out more. White gesso is a better option, especially if you need to cover a larger area, but I'm covering a small area today, so I'll just use titanium white. If you have clear gesso, you can add a bit of white titanium as a primer. I recommend using a slow-drying blending medium when painting with acrylic colors. Acrylic paint is water-based so that it can be mixed with water. However, acrylic paint loses its binding strength as you add more water. Color accuracy changes and causes binding issues, making colors more prone to come off. Mix the paint and blending medium with a paint knife. And I grab as much paint as possible with my paintbrush, then wipe off the remaining paint with a paper towel. Okay, the priming is done, so I'll start mixing the colors while my priming layer dries. I'm using a mix of red and fluorescent red to add vibrancy to the color. If you took any of my painting classes at Michael's Maker Place, you probably know how much I love using fluorescent colors in my paintings. Fluid colors are more flowy than heavy bodies, making it easier to blend with paintbrushes, especially when using small amounts of paint like this. I'm simply mixing two colors with the paintbrush I'll be using. I thought I could use the same size brush for everything today, but it was taking too long with these tiny letters, so I switched to a finer brush for this bottom section of the design. I'm adding more fluorescent red and titanium white to make pink brighter and softer. Now I'm adding a small drop of India Yellow to warm the color. Also, I want to paint the top of the design in bright yellow, so I want the center line to have a transition color from red, pink to yellow. For the finer section of the design, I'm combining a medium yellow hue with titanium white. I like how simple it is now, but I want to add some accent designs to make it more fun. I'm combining some of the pink paint left with the yellow paint mix to create wavy patterns in the middle section. And I'll use the remaining color to decorate the side of the box bottom. I'm adding more of the Slow-Dri Medium because the paint feels heavy, which means it's drying out. I'm adding some dashed lines to make it more interesting and making sure all the lines are aligned in each corner. I hope you enjoyed the video and give it a try this Mother's Day. Thanks for watching and see you next time.